Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your home address on the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your home address just so you can quickly deliver to it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Postmates, then click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then click on the profile picture on the upper right hand corner. Next, click on Home where it says Add Home, and then this is where you could actually go ahead and enter your home address to be added to the Postmates app. But once you do so, just simply save the home address and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your home address on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.